Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Jaakness. We're doing our very first ever review video. So let me know in the comments down below or up above or on the side or wherever you feel like. Let me know what you thought about this. Alright, today we're talking about the Lenovo Legion Y540. Big shout out to Evetech for sending it over to us. This laptop, ladies and gents, is an absolute beast. Price to performance ratio is definitely a good bang for buck, if you know what I'm saying. So this laptop is also, it's not just for, just for games, not for just for playing. This thing looks badass, and it is badass on all levels. With the i7-9750H processor, a GTX 1660 Ti, 6GB graphics card, 1TB SSD, and a 1TB hard drive, what more do you need out of a laptop? I'll tell you what, 144 Hz monitor, that's what you need. And damn, it's smooth. So we've put this laptop through what we like to call our tests, for my tests, for the last 2.5 weeks right now. And that means PUBG. And you guys know PUBG is not the lightest game out there. So what we did is we set it up so that we have our game running on our game PC, and then we've been sending over NDI. We've been sending all the video to the laptop to do the encoding, sending that off to the people over at Twitch. So that has been giving us a very good benchmark of how this laptop does perform. My PC was running at like 30 to 40% PCU usage before we were sending the info all over to the laptop, and now splitting it with the laptop and the gaming PC, my PC is running at 5 to maybe 10% usage while gaming and streaming, while the laptop is also only running on 5%. Encoding, sending 6,000 kilobit encoding footage to Twitch. That's insane. Well, obviously using it for streaming for a little bit now. I've also set up PUBG on the laptop because obviously that's the main test we got to do here. We need to know, can we game on this thing as well? Apart from just looking amazing, PUBG runs smooth. We've been getting solid 100 or more frames in PUBG. Gaming on this laptop does feel extremely smooth. The fans we have on here is making it breathe a lot better than I feel some people out there. And overall, very, very good PUBG experience for me on this laptop. Definitely recommend it. I think as a content creator, this laptop appeals to me on a certain level as well as it would to a lot of people out there, because this is not just a gaming laptop. It's not just a Netflix and chill laptop. I did some video editing on here as well, and processing power on that is absolutely great. And with a 144 Hz monitor that you have on there, footage looks absolutely incredible. All in all, I would say for the use I could get out of this laptop, absolutely love it. And there you have it, folks. The Lenovo Legion Y540. Great for streaming, great for editing, and great for gaming.